I am standing at a bus stop. I have a bag on my back. I am waiting for the bus. The road is quiet. I look at the road. I see the bus. The bus is coming. I am going somewhere. I am going to school. I am thinking about my home. I am thinking about my class. I feel calm. I am ready to go. The bus is near. I will get on the bus. I am standing at a quiet bus stop, waiting for my bus to arrive. I am carrying a backpack with all my things inside. The road looks calm, and only a few vehicles are passing by. I can see the bus coming slowly from a distance. I feel relaxed because I am not late today. I am thinking about where I am going. I am going to school to attend my classes. I am also thinking about my home and my family. The air feels fresh and peaceful. I adjust my bag on my shoulders. The bus is getting closer to the stop. I step a little forward and look at the road. I am ready to get on the bus. I feel prepared for the day. I hope I find a good seat. I am standing at the bus stop, observing the quiet street as the city slowly wakes up. A backpack rests on my shoulders, filled with everything I need for the day ahead. The cool air feels refreshing, and it helps me clear my thoughts. In the distance, I notice the bus approaching steadily along the road. I check the time and feel relieved that I am not running late. As I wait, my mind drifts toward the tasks and responsibilities waiting for me. I think about my classes, my goals, and the work I need to complete. The bus draws closer, growing larger with every passing second. I step forward slightly, preparing myself to board. People inside the bus are sitting quietly, each lost in their own thoughts. The driver slows down as the bus reaches the stop. I grip the strap of my bag and focus on getting ready. The doors open, and I move ahead with purpose. This simple moment reminds me that every journey begins with small steps.